Hey, welcome to SE Custom Designs, where we are back at it again. I just cut this bandsaw box out because it was fun just to do. Once again, a bandsaw box is basically taking wood that you have glued up, and if we come in a little bit closer here, you could see possibly the various layers. 1, 2, 3 maybe. Okay, so I just went over the bandsaw box, and let's remove the sides. Come on, how cool is that? And there you go, another bandsaw box. We have a customer who ordered one of these at our recent show, and let us design your dream is what we like to do. This is not an original from me, okay? I like to give honor where honor is due. This is Mo's Woodshop. You can look him up, and he provides the template online, and is very, very kind of Mo to provide that. So you can go to YouTube and you can look up Mo's Woodshop, and you'll find him. So this here was the unit that the customer, which shall remain anonymous, that showed up at the Rotterdam Junction Maybe Farm craft show. It was a lot of fun. So I just identified some pine and from 1x12 and other pieces that were lying around in my shop, and I cut them to size-ish, and you can see that it's going to more than accommodate that. Okay, so this is where we have a lot of fun in the wood shop. Bandsaw boxes are like still my new thing. I'm still excited about bandsaw boxes. Just, you step up to the bandsaw and just let your imagination go wild, man. And sorry about that wind, guys. I use the Carter stabilizer that fits this 1/8 inch blade, okay? And what it does is, I am going to go ahead and shut that fan off, is it allows the blade to sit inside a groove of the wheel, okay? So let's have a look. We come real close. See that? You can even pull the blade out a little bit. Okay. So there it is inside there. All right. And what they recommend that you do is actually, it's the opposite of what you would do with the normal bearing, like this. So all you do is you move these guys away, back them off. But watch this. See, you move it away. Now you move it in. So like so. Wish I had more light. Sorry, you guys watching on big TVs. Until I get better technology. So you just push it forward a little bit like so. And then you lock it in. Okay? That's as simple as it gets. You want to be careful you don't push too hard. What's going to happen is the bottom wheel of this blade is going to push. I've had it as close as here to the edge. Okay? So there is a balance between too much pressure and not enough. If it's not enough, it's just going to fall out of the wheel, out of the bearing. Okay? So this is all the blade is using. Okay, I push the thrust bearing. I had to take the side bearings off. The bottom is okay. All I had to do was push them back, push that back, and it's not interfering. So what a concept that is, the Carter stabilizer. Okay, it is time for me to go up. Lovely one's cooking the meal. And I want to thank you guys for coming to our show at the Maybe House, Rotterdam Junction, New York Historic Society. It was an amazing, high energy show for us, our second show for SE Custom Designs. The first one was Woodstock, New York. This was the second one, and that was 2017. It's 2018 now. We got one more show coming up in October 7, I believe it is. And this guy here, no doubt, will be for sale. It'll be plenty ready. I'm going to have a lot more bandsaw boxes that are going to be ready. Just a lot of fun. The trick of bandsaw boxes when you're cutting out the wood is your entry and your exit. Okay. Now, if we watch what happens, I can just squeeze this down, and now you don't know, you're none the wiser. Okay. Squeeze it down. When I have it all glued up, you're just not going to know. But notice what I did. I alternated my entry and my exit. So I came in here, okay, and then came out here. Then I went to the right side, came in here, and came back out. Moving to the upper deck. Came in here, and then I came in here. Cut the drawer out. Now the next thing I'll need to do is to cut the fronts and the backs off of these guys, and then you come back to the bandsaw and then you scoop out the piece of wood that's inside here. Okay, it is a lot of fun. If you haven't considered doing bandsaw boxes, maybe I have inspired you. That would be so cool if I did. Let me know if I did. And subscribe please to SE Custom Designs if you like what you see. We'd love to have you aboard, and we do get back to your questions when you have questions, comments, hopefully no complaints, except for the camera. One day I'll have a nice camera. That'll take care of me. All right, thank you once again for coming into the shop. And customer, if you're watching my channel, hopefully you subscribe to my channel. This is your wood, and of course they know that. I went ahead and spoke to them. So thanks guys, take care, and thanks for coming into the shops of SE Custom Designs.